Well, good morning. Guess where I am? RAF Alconbury. In fact, I pass this spot every day and I just realised I've never once had my selfie taken here. And believe me, this is a selfie spot. So here goes. If you didn't know, let me move my umbrella. That is an F5E. The funny thing is, it's a replica, so I can't take it for a test flight. They can't call me Rocket Man today. Anyway, it's drizzling down the bloody rain. They reckon it's going to clear up later. I suppose I better get back and get on with the main video, better I? Raindrops keep falling on my head. And just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. Because I'm free, nothing's worrying me. Woo! There. Today is going to be a good day. Today's the day. Monika's oil and filter change challenge. Unfortunately, I was unable to find a Ford Mondeo, but I did find a Chrysler Crossfire. It's got a bigger engine in it. I guess most oil and filter changes are basically the same, so this'll do. Let's go get her.
Difference plus the 136. We know what we're doing, don't we?
Mary's on the phone, so I better not say nothing to her. Good morning, Monika.
Morning.
Guess what?
Price you get is
I found you a Ford Mondeo for your oil and filter challenge.
Great. Let's do it.
No, it's okay. You can finish your latte first.
Okay, give me 2 minutes and I'll be out there.
I've left the car on the ramp for you. And while you're changing the oil and filter, I'll sit in your chair and do your, I don't know, Facebook bit.
Yeah. All right, then, mate.
Cheers, the gears. Safety first.
You know, I could quite get used to this. Mary!
What?
Make the tea, be a dear.
Bugger off.
I guess I'm going to have to make my own tea then.
Yeah, I've got
I suppose I better go and help Monika. I don't want to be a complete corporate pig, do I?
We're both doing well here, aren't we?
You didn't actually think I was going to sit in the office and let her do it all by herself, did you? All right?
Yeah?
You okay?
Yeah.
You get in there?
By the way, I thought it was supposed to be a mondeo.
I lied. Seriously, Moni, I couldn't find a Mondeo. But look at this. It's a throbbing 3.2 litre V6.
Okay then.
By the way, Moni, would you like me to lend a hand, give you some advice, help you out a little bit with your challenge?
Nah, it's okay. Just go and stand by the toolbox and leave it to the experts. No problem. That's to let the gravity in the engine.
Moni, got you some grips for the oil filter.
No, it's okay, Alan. I've got the correct tool for it.
You know, this was supposed to be an oil change on a Mark IV Mondeo, and I really could not find a Mondeo to change the oil on, so we had to settle for the Chrysler instead. But I just thought I'd let you know, if you've got like a 2011 to 2014 2-litre diesel, you'll notice the oil filter is buried down the front of the engine, and it's hard to get to. That's what you're supposed to use. It's like a C-shaped spanner. You put that on top of your oil filter housing, bonk, and then you can put your ratchet up here and you can turn it, only a little bit at a time, but it's very effective and makes the job very easy. Just saying.
I've changed all the seals on the filter.
You carry on, Monika, you're doing an excellent job.
Right, all drainer. Let's go. The longer the bar, the easier to take the bolt out. I've got it. Hey Alan, I put a new washer on a sump pump.
Excellente.
Eight liters, perfect. Yo! I'm done.
Oh, challenge over. Monika, I'm well impressed. You've fulfilled your challenge, you've done it. Well done. High five, buddy. Bingo!
See ya. By the way, I might have a challenge for you at some point. So watch this space.
You know, how the hell Monika allowed this video to go ahead in the first place? I may never know, but I'm telling you, that's what I like about Monika. She's game! She's a flipping good laugh. In fact, she's a very happy, positive young lady. Put it this way, if you ain't got your smiley face on, you ain't coming in. I tell you what, this morning when she pulled up with that little pair of shorts on, I was like, woo! I bet I'm not the only one there. I thought to myself, I'm going to chance my arm today, and I'm flipping glad I did because we got this video done. I know we had to make a oil filter change video anyway, which from our last video. In fact, this video here is where we discuss Monika's challenge. But she's done it, I'm proud of her, and that's it. That's the end of the video. I've got nothing more to say. I shall get this uploaded ASAP. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one. See you in the next one. See ya!